In this video, I will be showing you how to speed up YouTube videos using shortcuts and settings. Let's get started. First, I open my Google Chrome browser and head over to the search bar. I type in YouTube and select the official link from the search results to open the YouTube homepage. Once the page loads, I browse through the suggested videos and pick one to play. When the video starts, I notice that ads are playing, so I wait for the skip option and click skip to move directly to the main video content. Now that the video is playing, let's look at the first way to speed up playback. You can press and hold the spacebar on your keyboard. While holding down spacebar, the video automatically speeds up to 2x speed, and a quick pop-up appears on the top of the video player indicating that it's playing faster. Once I release the spacebar, the playback speed returns back to normal. If you want a more permanent adjustment, you can use the built-in settings menu instead. I move my mouse cursor over the video player and click on the gear icon, which opens up the settings menu. From the list of options, I select playback speed. By default, it is set to normal. Here, you can choose from predefined speeds like 1.25 by 1.5x or 2x, or you can drag the slider to fine-tune the exact playback speed you prefer, whether slower or faster. After selecting my desired speed, I click anywhere on the video screen to close the settings panel and resume watching. Another quick way to adjust playback speed while watching a video is by using keyboard shortcuts or on-screen overlay controls. When I click or press on the video player screen, convenient playback overlay options appear right in the middle, allowing me to quickly toggle between speeds such as 1.5x, 0.75x, 1x, or 2x with just a simple click. And that's how easy it is to control and speed up your YouTube videos. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.